Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert or activate or add developer tab in Excel. Okay, so if you want to insert or activate developer tab in Excel, here you will see in the ribbon I have home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review and view tab. Okay, now I want to insert a developer tab. So to insert the developer tab, you can activate many features and you can use many features. So to insert that, what you have to do, here you will see this button, click on it, and now here you will see more commands option, click on more commands. Okay, then in not in quick access toolbar, you have to just click on ribbon. Okay, now when you click on ribbon, here you will see main tabs. Under main tabs you have to scroll down and here you will see developer, click on this developer and click on save. Now cut it and here you will see developer option has been activated. So like this you can activate developer option in or developer tab in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.